So first thing we're gonna start off with is some elbow pasta. I'll be using 2 cups of elbow pasta. After you add your pasta, you just want to give it a nice little stir, and this will, stop your pasta from sticking. All right, so you're also gonna need some bacon. We're just gonna pop this open real quick. So I'll be using like maybe 3 slices out of the packet. And we're going to dice our bacon. Alright guys, so I'm just checking on my noodles just to see if they're soft. You don't want to cook them too soft because we're also going to put them in the oven for like 15 minutes after they're halfway cooked. Alright, so while we're cooking the macaroni, go ahead and add the bacon that we chopped up earlier. It's already smelling good. All right, bacon is looking good. Nice and crispy. You're gonna need some garlic as well. A little bit of parsley. Give it a nice little chop. Green onions. All right, guys, so we're just gonna pop these lobster tail open and start dicing. All right, so for the lobster tails, you're just gonna dice it medium to large size, whichever way you like. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of blackened seasoning, Zatarain blackened seasoning. Add some green onion. Parsley. All right, and finally, we're going to add our diced up lobster tail. Look at this, guys. Looking good, right? All right, now let's move on to the cheese sauce. We're gonna start melting our cheese. Alright guys, so right about now, I'm about to add my lobster tails and the bacon that we cooked earlier. Mix it up a little bit more. And right now, the mac and cheese is a little bit loose. So I'm just gonna add some breadcrumbs. As you can see, I just added a cup of breadcrumbs just to make it a little bit thicker. It's looking good. Let's do a taste test real quick. Here we go. Let me give y'all a piece of lobster tail along with the mac and cheese. Look at that, guys. It's already looking good. All right, so we're just gonna add our mixture to one of my skillets, or you could add it to a baking pan, whatever you have available at home.